was it? Ote. Wait, go on, pick up your shuriken. Good boy. Alright, let's go to the studio and turn me into a cartoon. So there's this art challenge going on the social medias, and it's basically where you turn half of yourself into a cartoon. And the hashtag is #ToonMe. That's what we were doing earlier today. I was trying to take a nice well-lit selfie of myself in the kitchen, and this is what we came up with. I sent that to myself, and now we're gonna pull it up on your photo manipulation software. In this case, we're using Photoshop. Basically, once you have your selfie on Photoshop, you draw a line on half of your body, and half of it is the selfie itself, and then the other half is yourself drawn by you in your own art style. So let's give this a shot. This is gonna be fun. I mean, I often do self-portraits already, so this isn't gonna be all that different for me, but I figured, hey, might as well jump on the bandwagon and do one for myself. Yeah. Let's get started.
I want a house in the hills I pay big bills for. I ain't got them pockets. I wanna empty out my wallet. I wanna stop motion, stand still, Wallace and Gromit. I wanna talk more endlessly. I wanna neurotically vomit. I want more dollars from my mama. I want a palace and Prada. I want a Gucci bag where I can store my sorrows and hardships. I wanna gold plate my partners. I want endless tomorrows. I want a lot more than I got right now. But that's the problem. You could give me every little thing I'd ever want, but I'd never have enough till the day I had it all. Yeah, you can give me every little thing I ever want, but I'd never have enough till the day I had it all.
Oh, I see what you want, baby, but it might be just a little more than I can give you.
On second thought, I want $1 for everyone, not just for my mama. I wanna hit the ball out on random pedestrians. I want my questions to be answered till my brain bored and questionless. I want more self-assurance. I don't ever want to second guess. I want so to shut the f up. Less he trying to tell me yes again. I want so many best friends that I can't tell what friendship is. I want the diamonds, gold, and glitter. I want fast cars I'll never whip. I want it all till I'm empty in my castle of everything.
Oh, I see what you want, baby, but it might be just a little more than I can give you.
I want a cushy job that pay big bills and cheap thrills. Wanna mob out with my homies like Timmy, Tommy, and Dill. I'm not trying to be famous, okay, maybe a lil. Since I'm a rapper, I should buy me some grills and gold frills that I can sleep on while I contemplate pills and peep on, hold still. Might sedate you, just a fire at will. I got an appetite for hardship, big fish meets krill. Don't sleep, don't spill, I ain't got my fill. I want the beauty queen to make me show my pearly whites. The type of movie scene that make you count your blessings twice.
There you have it, guys. Quick little turn myself into a cartoon video, I guess. It was one of those things that I saw it, I was fascinated, interested, and wanted to give it a try myself. So here we are. I think we're gonna end this video here. So if you do want to get updated when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button with the notification button ticked, drop a like, and leave some good vibes in the comments. I'll catch you guys on the next art video. Ciao. Ciao, ciao. Alright, buds. Let's go home. Alright. Peace.